up? This is Shraddha and welcome back to my new vlog today. Hope you are doing well and I am also doing good. I know that a lot of things are going around and we are all trying to survive with that. But this phase too shall pass, today or tomorrow. But may not be the same as before. But when you live alone and you have tons of things to share, but you have to wait for the phone for talking over with your families, then trying to find happiness in the small things. Like I just came back from my lab and today a little bit earlier I came. You have to leave no matter what. So then what you can do is you can do meditation, and one thing you can do that always helped me a lot is that when I was in India and really struggling to get a position, like a PhD position in USA, that was always my dream. And I had to struggle a lot. I did not get anything served on a plate. I'm not saying that people are getting that. Everyone has a story, definitely. I do have a story. Someday I will definitely share this with you. But you know what I used to do? Till now I always do that. I do meditation, and you can also do meditation and can visualize of whatever your dream is. So everything starts from the hypothesis. If you have a clear visualization of what you are really looking from your life, then you will act accordingly. But if it is hazy, if you cannot see that dream, then it will be very hard to find, right? That is the rule of the nature. But as long as it is very clear to you, then definitely you will act accordingly and it will come faster, So when you get some time every day, try to do it every day. 10 to 20 minutes is enough. So what you can do, that close your eyes, keep yourself in a quiet, calm corner of the home, and then inhale and exhale. Do that 20 times and then start visualizing. You can put light music. There are lots of music on YouTube. So that, and then start visualizing of your near future goal. Whatever you want. If you are longing for a PhD position or a higher education position or a really dream job or home or a car, then definitely you can dream about it. Trust me, it works like a magic, and it's like something you are doing that can establish the communication between you and the universe. So universe does not have the brain as such we have, right? So it understands your whatever your wish, it's kind of your wish is my command, kind of, So if you think negative, then definitely you will attract the negative things. But if you think positive, if you can visualize your dream, then definitely it will boost up your future goal or dream, and definitely you are going to achieve it. So that tricks always work for me, and I believe that it will too work for you. That is something I wanted to share this with you. I have a pretty much hectic schedule, out of which I hardly get very less time. So I enjoy talking to you. So I thought to share with you. So I came, spend some time with you all. So stay happy, stay tuned with me, and stay blessed. Stay positive. That's all matters. CDC here already announced that those who got the second shot, like 2 shots, they can go without mask. But I thought that it's a very good thing, not only COVID, it may come something else, so that and also, it has been found that this year people are not going to get that many normal flus these days. So whichever is good as a byproduct, you should accept it. So that's why I will not leave the mask. And yeah, so it's like a nice walk in the evening. So now I'm going back to home, and I have a plan to cook shrimp dish that I love really, and I learned it from my mom and my elder brother. So I'm going to share this with you. This is the neighborhood where I live, and I really enjoy it. And you know, it's a very nice summer weather. People already started gardening and hope to see a lot of beautiful flowers around. When it's a weekend and you love to have some delicious dish to have in your lunch, then obviously try this dish that I just made, and it's very easy to cook. You know, just chopped onion and then slice thin sliced potato, and then little bit garlic and green chili, and fry it like in the medium heat, and then you add the shrimp. That shrimp you just marinated couple of minutes with little bit red chili and the salt, and then it's good to go for fry. Trust me, it turned out so awesome, you know. And with this I'm going to have my lunch of the weekend, and I will watch a movie. I mean, that's how you celebrate your being alive, you know. It's really special to able to breathe properly, you know. Tastes really cool. I like spices, so it's very good. The potato, if you cut it in a sliced way, then thin sliced way, it will not take much time to get boiled. And you add the spices according to your taste, for sure. And I love shrimp, seriously. See you in a new vlog. Till then, take care, bye bye, and lots of love.